have over there, Nathaniel?
There's an oven, this one, Play-Doh, this one, this one, and my fork and spoon.
Okay. Okay, let me take a closer look at it. Alright, let's see. Play-Doh meal making kitchen. What do we have here?
Dodo? There's a dodo there.
Yeah, I know. Well, let's see. You have the...
This one. Don't forget the utensils there.
Yeah, I know. You have an oven here.
Oh, this.
So the light is better over here. And yeah, this is the Play-Doh meal making kitchen. Includes the oven, the stove, some utensils over here, a plate.
Also makes this nice fork and spoon.
Yeah, come let's turn to the back. So this is what it looks like at the back.
But can you open?
Yeah, wait, there's a toaster over here.
For bread.
It comes with some of the Play-Doh already.
I'll show you one.
And you have a plate, pizza cutter,
Then
and
what?
so on. What's all this?
Cookie.
Yeah, what you want to tell everybody about the pieces?
Yeah.
What's this? What's that?
I don't know what this.
Okay, I don't know what's that either.
But
What else does it have?
there's a knife or what?
Yeah, there's knife.
Nice spoon, fork. And
Yeah,
there's a roller.
yeah, there's a roller.
Like. Oh, where's the ruler? Oh, there.
Is it fun?
Yeah. I don't know. It's fun.
It's fun? So you happy?